This is a faulty anti-tangle swivel connector. The previous owner may have lifted the robot out using the cable. The cable is only used to retrieve the robot. The wires have been pulled out. The water seal of the connector has failed. The gold circuit board was damaged. The only way to remove the pulled out wire is to cut it off. If the wire is cut, how do we waterproof the join? At the top of the connector there is an O-ring. The swivel part rotates with this nylon washer pressing onto the O-ring. How can we join the wires back inside the metal housing? The metal seems to be welded into the plastic. You can see that I have already repaired the damaged circuit board part. Tapping the metal did not push the connection out. I did find that the metal sleeve can be pulled out. The left side ring was plastic welded onto the main body. We now have more access to join the wire. Back at the cable end we see the cable needs more length. The heat shrink is removed and the blue is cut back more. So we see the connector goes inside the housing like this. The wires appear to be obviously corroded. New heat shrink tubing is used to make it look nicer. I used yellow tubing as I had no black tubing. We try and clean the wires to solder. Even using hydrochloric acid did not work well. The wires look a lot cleaner. The solder joins were not ideal. We do not want heat shrink here as it will leak water into the joints. We use acrylic resin to seal the joints. This will create a mechanical and waterproof seal. The resin sets and we check there is no metal exposed. The metal sleeve is replaced. Yes, I should have made the yellow tubing longer. I fill in the gaps with more acrylic resin. Some super glue is used as the rubber does not stick to the resin. Silicone grease is used to allow the swivel to spin and it waterproofs it. We run the upside down out of water test to make sure all is working. The robot is then water tested. Thanks for watching.